Hello, welcome to the Kupo Community Server tutorial. It was named Kupo because the term is often associated with Moogles. Moogles are non-playable characters, or NPCs, in Final Fantasy games, which many of you have probably played before. They're known for sharing information and delivering messages. They help new players learn about important things in the game. Similarly, this server hopes to be an active learning community primarily among students of Aoyama Gakuin University, the International Christian University, and the University of California, Irvine. Let's begin. For ICU students, you can click the link from our Moodle course site. For AGU and UCI students, the link will be provided to you by your professors through your respective virtual classrooms. If you already have Discord, you can just log in using your username and password. Discord can also be accessed through your browser if you do not want to install it on your computer or phone. If you want to install it, please visit discord.com/download. To create a new account, click Register. Enter your email address, desired username, and password. Then, enter your date of birth. Click Continue. They're very strict with passwords, so please make sure that the password you choose is secure by mixing letters and numbers. Go to your email inbox and click the verification link. You will see the email verified message. You might have to re-enter the invitation link or go back to the class website to click the invitation link again to enter the community. Information in Kupo community are grouped into channels. Think about channels as conversation rooms for certain topics. You can access a particular channel from the list on the left. As a new user, you will only get to see the welcome channel. Read the instructions. Then, click the blue checkmark reaction to confirm. Doing so will reveal the rules channel. Click it from the list to access it. Please read the rules carefully and follow them so that we can maintain a healthy atmosphere in the community. Once you're done, click the OK reaction. Clicking OK will reveal all other channels that are relevant to students. Finally, select your university. It will reveal private channels that are only accessible by students from your university. Please check the announcements channel regularly. Some important announcements in the community will be posted here. Also, we're interested in getting to know you, So please introduce yourself in the self-introduction channel. We've provided a template for your convenience. To specify your preferred pronouns with your nickname. Tell us about your hobbies so we can create interest groups in the server. The general channel is the space where you can talk about anything under the cyber sun. Tutor Exchange will help students find a learning partner. Tell us what you can teach and what you want to learn. Do you have questions regarding a lesson or a topic? Ask them in the questions channel. 日本語で話したいですか？日本語コーナーチャンネルでしましょう。If you want to practice conversing in a language, please use the Language Cafe channel. You may also indicate your proficiency level using the Sephar system. Looking for a group? Want to know who's playing the same game? Post on the Video Game Talk channel. Want to show us a part of your world? Do it in the Show Me Your World channel. If this community gives you too many notifications, you may choose to mute some of the non-relevant channels by doing this. Okay, that's it for now. Let's enjoy learning together. Again, welcome to the Kupo community.